I don't ever want to be in this business and not be in a room with people making new theater. I love working on the classics, and I love working on a tried and true play that you know works, or taking a different interpretation of things, but working on new plays, there's nothing like it. Nothing like it in the world.
Anytime you get to work on a new work, on a premiere of a play, it's super exciting because you don't have any influence into your process. This is particularly different because this is something that is incredibly timely, topical, and close to issues that I think are really important.
One of the things that theater does is you're able to sort of examine something in depth. You know, it's not just the events happen and you follow the events like you might in a movie. In a play, you get to explore how those events reverberate inside of people.
I think there is something incredibly powerful about this story and the way that it's showing grief, it's showing pain, it's showing fight, that pursuit that we all have in us for peace and understanding, particularly around the tragedies that happen to us. And I think that's the beauty of storytelling, is that you get to participate, you get to decide, you get to see this information and choose for yourself how it affects you. The nice thing is that we, as a collaborative team of artists, are all working towards the same thing, which is how can we present this story in an honest way that will get people engaged and get people talking. I think I've always sort of felt like theater is successful when it starts a dialogue.